Hi, welcome to Black Cat Crafts. We've got a code orange and a code puppy. This is Pepper. She is the newest member of my family. She's a mixed breed. She's totally awesome. Love her. Also loving what Michaels has going on for their Halloween Village pieces, including the Gloom Room. It's the piece everybody's talking about, and for obvious reasons why. You've got to love the outdoor bar, the Roaring 20s theme, the zombies dancing in the atrium. I just can't get over it. It's perfect if you have a New Orleans themed piece, if you just need a bar/club for your village. I'm going to have to get it. This piece I'm a little torn about. The colors are very light and bright and happy. And the moon is kind of flat, right? I love this piece because it can be viewed from all sides and it's interesting in all ways. But the flat moon, that was a miss. Now this one, I might have to start an Egyptian theme. I love the Mummy Mortuary. It is so much fun. Peeking in the window, look at the wallpaper. Who does that? And there's a spider on top of the file cabinet. I just, wow. The level of detail on this piece, it's impressive. It really, truly a win. So this one, right, I just love pumpkins. In fact, I'm working on a craft with posable pumpkin vines. So coming soon. Give my channel a subscribe if you want a garden piece like that. But it's got a lot going on. It's a visual feast for the eyes. So Agatha's Apothecary. This one is a little more subdued, and I like the option to have something that's more exciting versus more, relaxed. But you've got the mortar and pestle spinning on top, so it definitely has some fun detail and pizzazz. All right. The Sugared Pumpkin Candy Shop and the B.A. Freyed Clocksmith. Wow. Again, another window you can peek in and it looks stunning. It just really has a lot of nice detail. The scroll work on the clock sign is gorgeous. And then the Sugared Pumpkin, if you know me, I have a sweet tooth. I love this piece. And again, super into the garden, the pumpkin theme. So look for that in pictures of my village going forward. So the next one we have, wow. When I see this, there's a lot going on and it's really interesting. The witch coming out the window, of course. I've never seen that before, but I love it. They're not going to go to their garage or out the front door. They're just going to grab their broom and fly out the next window. The clothes on the rack right outside the door there, I'm not sure how I feel about that. It's interesting, but why? Are they running a garage sale? Still really enjoy this piece. I can't say enough good things about it. So the next piece that we have here is The Future Looks Dark. This is another Michaels exclusive, so you have to go there to get it or order it online. I love the cat sitting on the front door. I think, again, that's a beautiful detail that the more budget brands miss that you get here. All right, so dramatic entry, drum roll. We're going to be talking about accessories next. So Michaels has a number of exclusive accessories as well as some plants that could really add a nice touch to your village, and some of those are 70% off. Not these, though. These are full price right now. So we have everything from a witch in a cauldron, some signs. Everyone's looking for signs all the time. I do some custom ones, but these are perfect. I'm actually working on Dracula's cave, so I might have to get that for sure. I don't have a lot of real people, healthy people. I've got zombies, and so the kid in the french fries, I might have to add that in because he's hilarious. And those leaves, I bought those. They're perfect. They're just right what I need. Then we have the cats. I bought those last year. They're so cute. Plants. So this is actually part of Michael's summer collection, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. So let me know in the comments if you think its scale is slightly too large. Even if you cut it down, I just feel like it might take away from some of your village. I'm just not sure. So here are some other plants in the 70% off bin that are perfect. The colors are bright, they're fun, the shapes are interesting, and they're just floral picks. So if you use a foam layout, you could just poke them right in there. So this has been Black Cat Crafts. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know what crafts you want me to make in the comments and tell me what your favorite piece is. I can't wait to see you again.